Ever wonder how to spot trading opportunities and manage risk with more accuracy? Today we're exploring the Keltner Channel, a powerful tool for identifying price trends and potential reversals. Whether you're new to trading or experienced, the Keltner Channel can give you insights into volatility, price action, and entry and exit points. In this video, I'll walk you through what the Keltner Channel is, how to set it up on TradingView, and the different ways you can use it to enhance your trading strategy on FXCM. What is the Keltner Channel? The Keltner Channel is a volatility-based indicator that helps traders identify potential price breakouts, overbought and oversold conditions, and trend direction. It consists of 3 lines. Middle line. This is a moving average, typically the 20-period EMA, which represents the average price. Upper band. This is set above the middle line by a multiple of the average true range, ATR, which measures volatility. Lower band. This is set below the middle line by the same multiple of ATR. Together, these bands create a channel around the price that expands and contracts with volatility. When prices move close to or outside these bands, it can indicate potential trading opportunities or trend reversals. Setting up the Keltner Channel. On TradingView. Let's dive into how to set up the Keltner Channel on TradingView. Open your chart for any currency pair on FXCM, go to the Indicators tab, and search for Keltner Channel. Once added, the default settings typically use a 20-period EMA and an ATR multiplier of 2. The middle line, EMA, shows the trend direction. The upper and lower bands adjust based on market volatility, helping you see potential breakout or reversal zones. You can adjust the ATR multiplier to make the bands more or less sensitive, depending on your strategy. How to use the Keltner Channel in your trading strategy. Now that we have the Keltner Channel on our chart, let's look at how to interpret it. Here are some common uses. Identifying breakouts. When the price closes above the upper band, it can signal a strong upward momentum or a potential bullish breakout. This could be a buy signal. Spotting reversals. When the price closes below the lower band, it may indicate downward momentum or a potential reversal. This could be a sell signal. Trend confirmation. When the price stays within the channel, it often confirms the current trend. For example, if the price is consistently near the upper band, it signals a strong uptrend. If it hovers around the lower band, it indicates a downtrend. By understanding these signals, you can use the Keltner Channel to make data-driven entry and exit points, helping you manage risk and opportunity effectively.